I'm Hugo from TechCornerTV, and today I have here more package for the Mailbag Day. Join me opening all this package, and without further ado, let's start unpacking stuff. Let me get this stuff out of the way. My knife, yeah. Let's start with this one. Okay, so this one this is a quick defrosting it's a quick defrosting table or something like that. I don't know if this is in here. Yeah, it doesn't seems to fit. Yeah. Maybe it's just too, I don't know. Well, I don't know if I mentioned before, but other than the website, other than the TechCornerTV channels, I work also with Amores and Mirtidos blog. It's a lifestyle blog, and this is a defrosting, I don't know, pet. This one, it doesn't have a name. Well, it's a special product for defrosting meat and fish, and it takes only a quarter of the time that usually takes to defrost something. Yeah, this is for the review on that blog. It's a Portuguese lifestyle blog, so it has a channel, but it's on Portuguese also. And yeah, this is for defrosting food. And yeah, I will maybe I will do a review this on reviews and tips to see if it's something that's worth reviewing or not, if it works. Yeah, it's just a curiosity, something or... Okay, so the next one is also this big one. I believe I know what this is. Let me just take this out. Okay, it has a box inside. It's well packed. Yeah, I can't complain on this one. It was delivered quite fast. Okay, this is a studio equipment edition. I'm always trying to improve the studio equipment. Okay, so let me explain what we have here. If you follow the channels, especially the electronics one, you might have noticed that yeah, I work here with the reviews and opening the mailbags, but when I'm working with electronics, I work in the workbench at home. And yeah, I have to always put a tripod with the lights and stuff like that. And I decided to buy, let me just show you. I decided to buy this stand that doesn't require an iPod. It just goes into the table like this. And you are able to mount in here the projector, the LED projector for the light or the camera or whatever you want. It's quite steady. Yeah, I like it. It doesn't seem very cheap, and it has a very good holder for the table. Normally they use very weak holders. Yeah, and this is for for using on the workbench, electronic workbench, where I record all the electronic stuff. So a small addition. Yeah, I hope it turns out okay. This is from here. Let me just take off the way. And yeah, let's continue. Okay, so I think that these guys sent me more than I bought. I don't know. I bought a few kits of this. Okay, so I decided to buy these small breadboards. I just wanted one or two of these kits. It is to some project that I'm doing. It's well, a piece of wood with breadboards and the small connectors. Well, something simple. And I don't know how. I received all this package 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 packets of this. And really, I don't understand why. I have to see if I made a mistake. Okay, I went to check and I know already what's going on. So first of all, I forgot to put the mic. It was here on the table. So the first two orders that I opened, the sound is really bad. I'm sorry for that. It's already corrected. And about this, so I already understood what happened. Each of these bags brings 7 units of these small breadboards. They have connectors, and you can mount on, I believe, on Lego with these connectors. So I bought 2 packages, and the guy who packed everything, instead of 2 packages, he used 7 packages 2 times. So I received 14 of this package, and yeah, it's the first time that I'm that I received something more than I paid. It's not well ideal, but anyway, at least I was not. It was not how I say. It came everything. What usually happens is that is always missing something. There are package without stuff inside. Like, yeah, let's see what's on this one. It has something. It's not empty, but already happened to me to receive empty package. So, okay, so this one is pretty simple. I ordered a spare rings for the oscilloscope probes, and yeah, it's from Cleqee, I believe. And yeah, nothing special, just a few rings for the probes. We have here the key, the wrench for calibrating the probe, and 2 tips, 2 cover tips, 2 covers for the tips. That's more correct. Okay, and the other one that is also, yeah, it looks like it is empty, but it has something in it. Yeah. I don't know what this is. Let me just try to open this without damaging anything. Okay. This is quite small. Let me show you what we have here. Those are rubber feet. I ordered a few of these. Those are really small. As you can see, they are like dots. And I have here bigger ones. They are rubber or rubbish, like rubber. And yeah, this is always useful. Those fits on electronics are always falling down. And yeah, I ordered 2 of these. I thought this will be a little bit bigger. It's quite small. And yeah, they are round fit for electronic devices. And yeah, some utilities. Okay, I just have 3 more package to open. Let me just open this one. Okay. I have to see, but I think this was to be 2 units. I received only 1. I'm always buying stuff for, as you already figured out, stuff for the studio. And this one is another ball head. It has the metal nut here. And yeah, quite nice. It is able to rotate 360 also without unlocking the screw. Yeah, nice purchase. This was something like €2 or $3, stuff like that. And yeah, it seems nice. Okay, moving on. Only those 2 left. This seems okay. So, what we have here? I believe those are ESP. I don't know if it is the 32 version or the ESP8266, and I couldn't see. Yeah, no. But I think it's the 8266. I'm not sure. Okay. Yeah, but I'm always using those small boards, so I decided to buy 3 more. To have some stock of it. And the last one, it says it's an integrated circuit, so something more for our electronics channel. Let's see what we have here. And it's another project to assemble. And let's see if this is one of those projects that doesn't have instructions in English. Well, it has color instructions, Chinese, I believe. Yeah. The list of the part list, and yeah, nothing more. And I don't know what this is. Also, it uses a STC11F02 IC. I will have to see on my buy list what this is. It has 3 displays, 3 numeric displays, and yeah, that's pretty much I can identify here. I don't have an idea what this is. Okay, So that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed opening this package with me. I am really sorry for forgetting to put the mic in the two first packages. Yeah, I will try not to forget again. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and why not consider subscribing. And if you subscribe, please hit that bell so you can be the first one to be notified when I have new videos. That's it for today. I'm very grateful that you watched until the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.